Good morning to everyone. Esteemed Chief Guest of the day, Dr. Kushal Kumar Sharma from Veterinary College, Khanapada. Our guest, Mrs. Sayu Madam and Mrs. Jannavi Madam. Our advisor, Dr. R.K. Sharma. The delighted son and daughter of Mrs. Sayu Madam, who is also present here, HOD and her team, and especially my dear students, media friends. World Social Work Day every year, organized by Department of Social Work. I must congratulate them. They always made it very colorful. They do the research work and find out from the very grassroots level worker, and they choose, and whatever they give the proposal, the name of the people, in every year they want to give the award. We never changed. This way also, when I come to know that Mrs. Jannavi Madam, who is our well-wisher, she is telling that this is the third visit at USTM. And Sayu Madam, once she got the Padma Shri, I tried to communicate with her to give the congratulations. So anyway, I welcome all of you to our small university, but we have a great vision to come up with a world-class institution with the support of faculty and students. If you want to know someone about the performance or the goodwill, it is always the neighbor can speak. Who is your neighbor? We know that every academic institutions, especially in our country, we work very in an isolated manner. The student comes, faculty comes, enters to the classrooms, they finish the classes, syllabus, and they used to go with a certificate from the institution. But here at USTM we want to make a difference. From the very beginning and inception of this university, we tried to inculcate the culture of connecting people. And it was the mandate given to every department of this university to connect the neighboring people, connect the villages, so that the students, after passing out from this institution, they come back with a kind of moral boost and a kind of ideas that we are the best creations of Almighty, and we are for the people and we are for the all living beings. And if we consider the nature of the program and courses here at USTM, I think it is most appropriate with the social work department, with the nature of the courses, nature of the activities. Usually they go 3 days outside of the institutions and they do different kind of survey work, they connect different kind of NGOs. So I congratulate all my dear students who have chosen this particular program. Hopefully Almighty has given sufficient patience to you, inbuilt patience with your characteristics, and that's why you have chosen this program. I did not tell too much to speak too much today because there are 3 live examples in front of you. Although Jannavi Madam has not received the Padma Shri, but very soon you will be getting Padma Shri, and we will be praying for her. We must say that 3 are Padma Shri holder. Very soon you will be getting. Don't worry for that. If Narendra Modi is not getting her name, we will push to get her name. Because we are not also less than Narendra Modi. Anyway, the 3 examples in front of you, and their life is a example of passionate services for a cause. Madam was telling that she is not very comfortable in English, but Meghalaya people are very much comfortable in English. Your English is better, was better than me. I can certify. You have spoken very nicely. And endeavors in our life, besides thinking for our own career. So what Jannavi Madam was telling, that for your right you must come out. we should not be very much, we have a kind of phobia that if I speak something, then people may mind or people may take it negatively. If something is correct, maybe some kind of embarrassment is there, but we must be confident enough and come out, be positive and come out. I think this is your conclusion, that we must be positive, we should not be negative. We must be always positive, think positive and come out to serve the society. So I am very much touched with both of your deliberations, and certainly the department will invite you in the classroom instead of an occasion. They must come to the classroom. They are eligible to become visiting professor of any institution because their experience, what new education policy is talking about is not syllabus. It's talking about skill, it's talking about experience, it's talking about connecting the people, going to the people and experiencing. So I congratulate Department of Social Work inviting me and be the part of this great occasion. I am representing our Honorable Vice Chancellor here, and I have seen many students, although exam is going on, classes are going on, you have shown your participation in this particular program. And this is my request to the faculty members that please invite Mrs. Jannavi Madam as well as Mrs. Sayu and Kuwarsa for visiting lectures in the department where they can spend more time, interact, and students can ask questions so that they can get idea for their own endeavors. Thank you very much. Thank you.